Okay, in this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload large folders full of files to SharePoint and SkyDrive. So the first thing you want to do is actually open Internet Explorer as your browser. The reason we're going to choose Internet Explorer rather than, say, Safari or Chrome or Firefox is because there are certain features in SharePoint and SkyDrive that only work well with Internet Explorer. So open Internet Explorer, go to the Berkeley homepage, and then let's come over here and click on the Berkeley SharePoint Access link. Now from here, you are going to log in using your email credentials that you normally log in with, and then hit sign in. Now this will bring up obviously your Outlook web app, and from here we're going to go to either SkyDrive or Sites, and the process for doing what we're about to do is exactly the same. So then I'm going to go to Faculty Portal, and I'm going to look for my site down here. In this case, I'm just going to choose History. Now the question I get most often is, how do I upload a document to SharePoint or SkyDrive? And the answer is quite simple. Once you're at the site you want to upload your document to, you simply click the New Document, and you get the entire Microsoft Office suite that's available here. But down below here, it says Upload Existing File. And when you click that, this box will pull up. Now, if you're just going to open a single file, you can browse to that file wherever it may be on your desktop. Say it's a Word document or something. And then, in fact, let's do this one. We'll select one and click OK. And there it is. This World War I crossword puzzle pops up. But what if you want to move a whole folder full of these files? You're going to do the same process with an extra step. You're going to go to New Document, Upload Existing File, and now all of a sudden you're going to see this box appear, Upload Files using Windows Explorer instead. This is what you're going to select to upload a folder with many files in it. Once you select and click this, it takes a minute. It's going to open up your SharePoint or SkyDrive folder in this view. Now from here you can minimize the screen and you can find your folder on the desktop. In this case, I'm just going to take this folder, and you can do this two ways. You can either click it and drag it over. Notice how it says Copy to Shared Document, or you can simply right-click, copy, and let's go ahead and paste it inside of here. Now, of course, the bigger your folder, the longer this process is going to take. In this case, it's got 5 Word documents in it. It's pretty small, and you can see that it happened very, very quickly, and there it is. Okay? So when we go back, you can close this now, and if we go back into our folder, we're going to refresh the page. In SharePoint, you can see that UD or Upper Division folder I just uploaded was there. So to recap really quickly, to upload large folders, you're going to go to the SharePoint site that you have access to in your class, English, History, Math, whatever. Go to New Documents, Upload Existing Files, Upload Files using Windows Explorer, and from there you can navigate towards whatever files you want on your desktop, or you can copy and paste them and put them in there. And that is how you upload large folders to SharePoint, Sites, and SkyDrive. Now if we click on SkyDrive real quick, you can see we have the same exact option here to upload. We can do a single document, or we can do large folders instead. I would caution you that when you are in Sites, to remember that SharePoint Sites is designed for you to share with your entire department. So you want to make sure before you put your folder there that it is organized in some fashion that other people will actually understand. So you can see here in mine, we have our chapter resources. In our case, we did it by chapter, so that if anyone needed a chapter 17 or 18 notes, they could find it. So the difference here is that Sites is shared with your entire department. SkyDrive Pro is your personal 25 gigs of storage that only you have access to, unless you share it with somebody else. So big difference here. SkyDrive really primarily for backing up your files, whereas Sites is going to be used to collaborate and share your resources within your department. I hope you guys found this helpful. As always, remember, I'm a resource to you. If you need any help or a tutorial, just let me know.